Hey, Dan Bradley here and welcome inside this Kaptiwa 2.0 review and demo. Now in this review video I want to share with you guys exactly what Kaptiwa 2 is all about and what they've actually changed, what's different compared to Kaptiwa version 1. Now of course at any time during this video feel free to drop down below into the YouTube description. You'll see a link in there and that will take you guys over to a little page that looks like this. So this is my Kaptiwa 2.0 review page, and what this is going to give you is more information about the product, some of the changes that they've made. And now the important thing to note about this particular product is how it actually compares to other offers on the market. Now of course this is a video hosting platform, and when it comes to hosting video professionally for a business, it's very important that it's quick, it's light, and it's simple to use for your customers. And that is exactly what I love about Kaptiwa. It is absolutely smashing it when it comes to other platforms. So if we look at this here, this is a page with a video, a Kaptiwa video placed on that page, and it's scoring 91 on Google Page Speed Insights. That's a great score. Now we look over at a Vimeo embedded video and it's only getting 61, and Wistia, which has so often been the gold standard, is at 51. That is not going to help you in search rankings. That's going to not help you in many different ways. You know, wherever there's a delay, that's going to cause customers to leave your page, to leave your funnel. So speed, reliability is extremely important, and I'm proud to say that Kaptiwa 2.0 ticks all of those boxes. Now down below you can scroll through this and it'll show you exactly how easy and simple it is to use, but look, this is video hosting. It's nothing crazily difficult, so just follow along and you'll be able to pick this up very quickly, very easily. Now, of course, you can compare the features of Kaptiwa 2.0 with Wistia, Vimeo, Vidyard, which you probably wouldn't ever use anyway. But that's what they're comparing here. So you can see all the stuff that you're able to do here on this page. And also you're going to see all of the bonuses. There's 20 bonuses in total that are going to be offered for you if you pick this up on the link down below this YouTube video. Now, what I want to do is let's jump over and take a quick look at Kaptiwa in action right now.
It has never been easier to give a captivating video experience on your website and landing pages. But with Kaptiwa, it's easy and lightning fast to play HD videos beautifully without any delays or buffering. So use Kaptiwa videos to replace your old school video hosting and players for lightning fast video experience. You just need to follow 3 simple steps to publish a captivating video. Upload video. Upload 1 or more videos at a time and let Kaptiwa optimize them for faster delivery on any browser, page, and device. Customize the look and feel of the player in just a few clicks to use it for your brand, or monetize it by inserting your clickable affiliate link, lead forms, or buy buttons to sell your products and services right inside the videos. And lastly, publish your videos on any landing page, website, or device and watch your customer engagement, sales, and profits rolling in fast. No installation, no designing, or other techie stuff. Just copy and paste 1 line of code, and in less than 2 minutes, you can publish a Kaptiwa video anywhere on internet and start getting more eyeballs and more customers glued to it. It's lighter and faster. Kaptiwa is built with love for everyone who uses videos online for any purpose. So what do you do online? You sell products, provide services, you're an e-com business owner, an affiliate marketer, a SaaS company, or you do product launches. Use Kaptiwa videos to impress your customers and get more engagement on your website, and video sales letters to sell more products, services, or affiliate offers, get more leads, and more happy customers. Or you're an info seller or coach. Deliver your customers training videos at lightning fast speed and get your audience spellbound. Or if you are an agency, you can use Kaptiwa videos on your client's business to boost their sales and charge them monthly recurring fees for your services. Well, that's something incredible. And surely, with Kaptiwa 2.0, your growth prospects are truly endless. Just 3 simple steps to publish your videos anywhere on internet, and it will deliver them beautifully 24/7. Even while you are watching your favorite web series on Netflix, fishing with your family near the bay, letting yourself lose on the dance floor, or watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court, it has got everything covered. Let's see what makes Kaptiwa 2.0 a cut above the rest. It took 3 years to plan, develop, test, and super optimize with world's best cloud services for delivering lightning-fast HD video hosting and marketing experience. After all, time is money. Compare yourself, the Kaptiwa, Vimeo, and Wistia player loading speed on Google's performance tracking tool. I'm sure all this would have blown your minds away completely. Publish your videos anywhere you like, on any website, landing page, online shop, or membership site using just 1 line of embed code. Get an attractive video player completely customizable to your exact specifications to give it an elegant look. Publish videos on your branded channels to give more content to your audience and get connected with them. Create video playlists on any topic for better customer training experience. It maximizes visitor engagement with ad-free videos. People will watch your videos on Kaptiwa, not other people's stuff, so you'll have 100% control on your traffic, no traffic leakage with unwanted related videos and ads. Always know how you are doing with precise analytics on user behavior and engagement to improve your marketing campaigns. So, you get max everything. Max speed, max conversions, and max sales. Isn't it amazing? We don't finish here. You will be getting HLS Player, which is perfectly optimized to work on all devices, and it's 100% mobile responsive. You also can sell products or collect leads directly inside the videos with done-for-you video ads templates. It also comes with full drag and drop editor to edit templates in a few clicks. Get social traffic on your viral video pages and channels. Add videos in MP4 format, HDR is supported. Seamless integration with top autoresponders. 0 technical skills required, it's 100% newbie friendly. A to Z complete video training included. And you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spending monthly on hosting. Everything runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. Plus, 50+ more cool features to captivate your visitors with your videos. Guys, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
So I hope you enjoyed that demo video there to give you guys a bit of a better idea of what Kaptiwa 2.0 is really all about and how you can use this in your business to get insane results. Now, of course, there is a funnel on this one, and there's a couple of things that I really want to talk about. The first thing to pay attention to is the front end options. You're going to have 2. There is the $47, the starter package, or the $97 Pro. Now, without a shadow of a doubt, I would 100% recommend you consider that $97 version. And let me just explain to you why. So if we go here over to the sales page, and let's just scroll on down here to the payment bit, and we'll see exactly how these 2 things compare. Now, your big differences come in the number of videos and the storage that you're going to get. Now, there's some extra features as well that they're going to give you on the Pro version, which are going to be really cool. But the most important thing to talk about is that storage and that video limit. Now, on the starter package, you are limited to 50 videos. Now, they could be any length. That could be a 1-minute video. That could be a 1-hour video. But you are limited there to 50 of them. Now, that's not the problem for many people. You might think, well, 50 is quite a lot of videos. That's quite a lot for me. That's not where the issue is going to come. The issue is on this storage, okay? You're only getting 50 gigabytes of storage. Now, depending on what type of videos you're putting out and on what quality is going to massively vary what that size is going to use of the storage. Now, of course, if you're putting out videos in 4K or 6K, that 50 gig is going to go like that. But really, there's absolutely no need, okay? A 1080p video, you're going to be able to do all right there, all right? You're going to be, probably 1 gig is going to be about the file size for a 10-15 minute 1080p video, so you probably can get 50 of them in there. On the Pro version, you've got unlimited videos, so you can put videos on there that are 1 or 2 minutes long. You don't need to worry about filling up that video requirement because you've got unlimited, right? You're not going to go over any usage. Now, the storage is 250 gigabytes. Okay, that is the storage for all of the video data, regardless of how many different videos you have. However, that being said, there is something really special on this upsell number 1. So let me just show you this Elite upgrade, and again, let me just scroll on down here to show you exactly what you're going to be getting. Now, you can go monthly or you can go one time. Again, I would 100% recommend the one-time pricing, because let me tell you what you're going to get. The most important thing here is unlimited bandwidth, okay? Unlimited bandwidth, unlimited subdomains, unlimited video channels, unlimited playlists. Basically, you can put out as many videos as you want. You've got unlimited bandwidth for it, and you can either pay the monthly, which is $37 a month, which actually is still pretty reasonable, or you can get the $197, which is a one-time price. Now, that makes this a complete no-brainer to pick it up, the $97 on the front end and the $197 upgrade, because for about $300, just under, you are going to have a powerful video hosting platform that you can upload an unlimited number of videos, unlimited bandwidth. So, you know, if you're going to put these on a sales page, it's going to have 20, 30, 40, 50,000 people hitting that sales page in a short period of time. Kaptiwa gets the job done. Now, I know sometimes in this industry, there's this negative business of releasing these kind of products at one time, and then, you know, 6 months, 12 months later, they just fizzle, they disappear off. Well, I honestly don't think that would be possible for Kaptiwa. And let me explain why. Most of the people who these vendors actually do business with, affiliates like ourselves, we're actually using their software, we're using their technology in our sales pages, we're using their technology all over the place. So if they were to actually do that, they would literally break all of their relationships with all the JV partners who actually send themselves. They basically destroy their own business. So knowing that is actually really powerful and really key for you guys, because what that means is that actually this 197 one time, this is going to last a long time. All right, so 100% recommend it there. The $97 on the front end, the $197 on that upgrade. So you get unlimited videos, unlimited subdomains, unlimited channels, unlimited bandwidth. Basically, you can do whatever you want. So that's 100% what I would recommend in there. There are a couple of other upgrades as well. So you've got Upsell 2, all right, which is the enterprise version. Again, we'll just scroll on down here to know exactly what you're going to get. So the enterprise version is all about analytics, and it's about basically making that video player completely brandable, customizable to your business. Now, depending on what you're using this for, this may be something that you want to use, or it may be something that actually you really don't need that much. So have a look. All the information will be down below. Of course, if you've got any questions about Kaptiwa 2.0, then make sure to hit me up in the comments down below. We would be more than happy to help you guys out and basically get you all the information you need. Now, I did want to talk about what is the difference between Kaptiwa version 1 and Kaptiwa version 2. Well, first of all, they've 5x the bandwidth requirement, so you're now at 250 gigabytes. You've got the ability to create video channels and video playlists that weren't on the previous one. You've got better analytics and a completely redesigned and robust video player that gets results for you and for your business. So without further ado, guys, this one gets my massive tick of approval. Go down below, grab Kaptiwa 2.0 now, all of those custom bonuses, and get video hosting done. This is the last video hosting platform you're ever going to need to buy. This is going to serve you and your business very well in the future. It's a professional service that we're using, many other top marketers are using, and you should be too. So drop down below, grab Kaptiwa, and I will see you on the next video. Bradley out.